Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. Other aspects that enable or hinder e-commerce. Does other aspects enable or hinder e-commerce? What other factors enable or hinder e-commerce activity? Is it adequate? If not, what can you do? What as executives can you do? Is your customer part of the banking network and has a credit card to be able to pay you? Does the customer have a mobile bank account so they can use a mobile phone with a payment capability? Does the client you are targeting have experience of e-commerce? If you are targeting a particular client, such as women, children's products, do they have access to the internet or the mobile banking solutions? These are all the factors that you will need to be considered as part of your e-commerce strategy. Let's take a look at the e-commerce websites in Kyrgyzstan. There are many e-commerce websites in Kyrgyzstan that you can review and learn from. Review some of the above sites and others and ask the following question that you may help to develop your e-commerce. Does your capability match up to the best e-commerce sites? What capabilities does your site and products need to provide a good approach? Is the e-commerce sites you have reviewed seamless and easy to use? What other questions can you think of that will help your overall process and e-commerce strategy? You may wish to list these as part of your e-commerce strategy in your business plan. Let's take a look at some case studies. And case study 1, Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook and how they have now changed the face of e-commerce. They have 2.7 billion active Facebook users around the world. So if we look at what they do, you will find that many of them are simply using Facebook to post pictures up and other content. However, many organizations are now using Facebook as a way of communicating their business offerings. Facebook provides a free service as well as a paid service. The paid service can be used by individuals and businesses to be able to better promote their products and services to the international market. This is a fantastic example of how technology can be used to take your products and services to the international market. Take a few minutes to explore Facebook and the various functionalities they offer to your business. Ask yourself the question, how can you use Facebook for your planned e-commerce strategy? Do you know anyone else in your region who is using this? What can you use it for? How would you use it? And of course, how do you make money? Case study 2. Let's explore a number of other popular case studies. Explore the link for this resource. Identify the case studies in this link. What are the key features of each? Discuss how this can be used for your business. Present to your executive the best approach that you will need to develop to ensure your e-commerce is a success. Explore these common sites. What capabilities do you see? How do they inform your business? And what would you use to enable your business? Case study 3. Let's review the Kyrgyzstan e-commerce park. Let's debate this. How can you leverage this? What are the benefits of such a park? Review this capability that exists in your doorstep. The e-commerce park is a very useful infrastructure that you can leverage for your case business, where there may be partners and collaborators. They may provide capabilities that you may not have today, but are critical to the development of your business. See if you can identify aspects of the park that you can leverage for the growth of your e-commerce. Let's take a look at another case study. Amazon. Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world. Explore their website, and if you have a mobile phone, through the mobile phone, you will find many features and capabilities and new innovations that they keep coming up with. If you have followed them for many years, you realize that they're always innovating and coming up with features and technologies and services for their customers. It is this innovation that gives Amazon a clear edge in the marketplace. I would highly encourage that you do some research around Amazon, add and their capabilities and the manner in which they have grown to become one of the biggest corporations in the world. I would also encourage you to explore what and how they can help you as an organization. Many e-commerce startups often use Amazon as a part of their economic strategy. And hence it would be worthwhile for you to explore further how you can partner with Amazon going forward. So concluding the main part of Module 3, we have looked at various platforms in e-commerce, and we have covered numerous technological factors and business factors that you need to consider when embarking on your e-commerce strategy. This module will help you try and understand exactly the considerations that you will need to make as part of your e-commerce and digital strategy. There are, of course, numerous slides following this that will extend your knowledge. I would highly encourage that you review these slides and resources and images and diagrams, which will help you in extending and completing your knowledge about the contents on this module. You can use them as complement of the key resources as well.